Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another Faucet website. You can claim your Faucet free from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos and watch this video until end. This is the Faucet website. Faucet website name is DGB. You can claim this much DGB every 5 minutes, 25 times claim per day. Okay, go to your user dashboard, go to your deposit, copy the Faucet pay of DGB link, give here, paste in here, just click I'm human, and you can solve this capture. Okay, told me airplane. Okay, click again. Maybe this one change. Okay, this one change is car, and wait a second. Okay, this is the car, and next. Okay, next, wait a second. Okay, this one is again car. I just click check, and you can solve this anti-capture. This is 22187, and wait 5 seconds, and click get reward, and you can see this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Go to your user dashboard to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay, you can see this website pay you your DGB to your Faucet Pay account. This is my DGB account, and you can earn this much DGB. Okay, 25 times claim per day. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just solve the capture and you can earn. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.